I have a practice of centering my mind every morning before my feet ever hit the floor. And usually the first line of an ancient hymn is in my mind every morning. It's an affirmation, it's a mantra. The phrase goes, "When morning gilds the skies, my heart awaking cries, may Jesus Christ be praised." I mean, that's an ancient hymn. Then I get out of bed and I go meditate. I focus on stillness, on connection with the divine mind, and I'm thankful for another day that I get to open my eyes and be a part of something beautiful that day. And in the stillness of my mind in those first minutes, that's what I return to again and again throughout the day. A trouble arises. When the noise and difficulty of life are there, I return to that inner state of peace and clarity. So it's in this quietness, the stillness of mind, where we get the chance to love ourselves back into wholeness. And today, we're going to do that. So we're going to look at 7 steps. And with each step, there's an affirmation. So I want to invite you to get comfortable and cross your legs and arms. Be ready for spirit to bring to mind anything in this moment and in this time. Our first step, we're going to embrace and accept all parts of ourself. We will make a conscious effort. In just a moment, we're going to speak this affirmation together. But this is about making a conscious effort to love and accept all parts of ourselves, even our sticky past, even regrets. We're going to accept every bit of ourselves. We'll view our vulnerabilities, our angers, our fears with compassion rather than judging them. Are you ready for this affirmation? Let's speak it together. In this moment, I choose to accept every part of myself. I am centered in love and thankfulness. Breathe that in. Second step, let's heal our past wounds. We're going to acknowledge and release old hurts, old regrets, beliefs that keep us stuck in that whirlpool churning of the mind. In this moment, we're going to embrace that holy lesson of forgiveness for ourselves and for others. Let's speak this affirmation together. I choose to let go of past hurts. I choose to offer peace and forgiveness to all, including myself. I am thankful for this holy moment. Breathe that in. The next step, let's silence our inner critic. We can transform our inner dialogue from self-criticism to self-compassion. We can shift that story into kindness. Our affirmation to speak together. I will listen to the still small voice inside that speaks of love and peace. I choose that voice instead of the voice of criticism. I am grateful right now. And breathe that in. The fourth step, let's commit to the practice of creating peaceful moments. We can choose to meditate more, pray more, believe more. It's a choice. We can make it every day. Let's speak our affirmation together. I choose to focus my mind and center my thoughts on peace. I will lift my thoughts into the realm of love and light. Does that feel good? Okay. The fifth step, let's begin to recognize our old unhelpful patterns. Knowing that our current reactions are often based on past pain, we can choose a different way now. Our affirmation to speak together. I choose to see my unhelpful patterns of pain, and I choose to respond with love and gratitude instead. The sixth step, let's begin to make decisions in harmony with what we truly want and truly feel in our life. Our affirmation to speak together. I will surround myself with people who practice love and gratitude. I will love them and be grateful for them too. Oh, that's right. That's right. Reach out to the person beside you, right? Does your love and gratitude reach out to that person beside you? Your love and gratitude extends to them. And that seventh step, let's set intentions for personal growth every day. Knowing that our spiritual journey is a journey. It's lifelong. Every step we take leads to healing and wholeness. Never, ever doubt that. In all the struggles you face, every step you take is leading you deeper, deeper into that glory, into healing and wholeness. Let's speak our affirmation together. I will be patient with myself, thankful that every step leads to more love for myself and for others. I am thankful for my spiritual journey. Use those affirmations, because when we use our spiritual tools, they're power tools of love and thankfulness, we start shifting our inner world. And we shift our outer world as we shift our inner world.